Used to be a fool, all about the bounce in my step. Watch it on the news, what you gonna do? I could hit refresh and forget. Used to keep it cool. Hey! Should I keep it light, stay out of the fight? Who's gonna listen to me? If I write a song, preach them what is wrong, will they let me sing on TV? Should I keep it light? Is that right? Let's say it! Sing it loud, loud. Way up we go, way down that road. Way up, but no, we gon' burn the whole house down. Watch you standing in line, you're only serving lies. You got something to hide, we gon' burn the whole house down. We gon' burn the whole house down. Yeah, used to let it go. Walk into the show, gawking at the tricks of your sleep. Too good to be true, but I'm in a room full of entertainers and thieves. Used to let it go. Oh no, that's right. Let's say, way up we go, way down that road. Way up, but no, we gon' burn the whole house down. Watch you standing in line, you're only serving lies. You got something to hide, we gon' burn the whole house down. We gon' burn the whole house down. Okay. Should I hang my head low? Should I bite my tongue? Or should I march with every stranger from Twitter to get you done? Used to